I see Tai Chi as a physical guide to self-discovery. Practicing Tai Chi can give us the opportunity to go inward and feel the mechanics of the body. Feel every limb, every joint, every fiber of our being, one by one and simultaneously. Mentally, Tai Chi offers us the chance to become aware of our self-talk. Like, what's your inner dialogue during moments of Tai Chi challenges? What do you do internally when you miss a movement, lose your balance, or reflect on how your practice went? Emotionally, Tai Chi can provide us the space for healing to take place. Energetically, Tai Chi offers us the opportunity to embody oneness. This is where your Tai Chi practice goes beyond perception, beyond thoughts, time, ideas, opinions, beliefs. This is where you're simply in awareness, aligned, moving, and still at the same time. These are moments that really illustrate the Tai Chi 2 Yin-Yang philosophy. So, going inward, tuning into the mechanics of our body, observing our self-talk, and allowing an energy to move us are just some of the gems that we will explore inside the Unseen of Tai Chi.